What you eating, bud?
Why? What are you putting? Vanilla?
What kind of ice cream you got there, bud?
Chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
And vanilla.
Daddy's gonna steal a little bit of that. So we can go ahead and give it to Baby John. There you go, bud. And now we go back to Ethan, who's still eating his chocolate blizzard. Now with 2 spoons. Ethan, one of those spoons is Daddy's.
It eats a spoon.
Can I have a spoon back, Ethan?
No!
I gotta give some to Baby John. Come on. Please. Thank you. Okay, let's try this again. Here it goes. In you go. Mmm. Alright.
Dad.
Okay, but that's enough. Alright, we need to take a little bit more again. And all the way over here, too. Come on, spit it out. There you go, bud. Say hi to Mommy.
Hi,
Mmm. Tell her what you're eating.
Mommy. I eat chocolate.
Mm-hmm. Chocolate what?